Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Welcome back to Vikram 24 Rider. Today I am back with another unboxing video. So today we have a Groller. It's a kind of paddock stand, the portable paddock stand for the bikes. Okay, so it's from Grand Pitstop. So they have patented this product. So I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description so you can surely check it out. So let's see what is actually this Groller. So paddock stand wheel roller, this is from Grand Pitstop. It's from Grand Pitstop for bike cleaning and lubrication. So whenever we need to lubricate our chain, we need to clean our bike wheels. In that case, this roller will be useful. So this is basically a patented product from the Grand Pitstop. This is how the product is boxed. So here we have branding, Groller small. This is the image of the product. So they have given some specification. It's easy to use, it's durable, it's lightweight, it's portable, and it's anti-skid back blocking. It comes with the anti-skid backing. Okay. So they give a 6 month warranty and lifetime support guarantee. It's a bestseller internationally. So this is how on the box we have price, but that will come to that part later in the video. So they have different products, pit stop, which includes a mobile holder and different kind of products. They have given a instruction how we can use this scroller. Okay, so let's open a box and see what is inside. Okay, so as soon as we open a box, we have one instruction manual that will tell us how basically we can use this. I'll put the picture separately so that you can read and go through it. This is how the portable roller is. It comes with the branding GR, and here we have a scanner with which we can get the instruction. We can use it. Talking about it can be used for the bikes like KTM, Bajaj, Ducati, Triumph, Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, etc. So as you all know, I have KTM 390, which basically doesn't come with a center stand. That's the reason I bought this roller. So all the bikes recently there are few bikes or few companies which they are delivering the bikes which basically doesn't have a center stand, and that's the reason we will need this product. So the dimension of this product is 17,727 centimeter, and the weight is 900 gram. It looks like it's approximately 1 kg. The USP for this product is this is a made in India product, and the product this roller which I bought, right, basically it's for the bike less than 170 kilo, 170 kg, and the tire of width is greater than 170 mm or less than 170 mm. The tire width less than 177 mm. So this roller is very easy to use. It's portable, and you can see the lightweight. So it can easily go into the any backpack. So at the bottom, if you can see, it comes with the anti-skid rubbers at the which allows you to keep the wheel. So which allow you to keep wheel, whether it's front or rear, from skidding while cleaning your chain or while washing your bike. Okay. So they have this Grand Pitstop, right? They have quality products. They have 80% positive rating on Amazon for more than 10K products or more than 10K ratings for all of their product ranges. So this specific product have rating of 4.4 stars on Amazon out of 5,000 ratings. I got this product basically for 999, and so I got this product basically for 999 on Amazon along with the one brush for chain cleaning. So let's talk about pros of this product. This product, you can see it's a very affordable. If you're going for this conventional paddock stand, it generally comes around minimum up to 2,000 and onwards. But this we got it only for 999. Okay. In offer days, you can also get it up to 750 or 800. This is lightweight, compact, easy to use, easy to carry in a backpack. And when you talk about a paddock stand, right, they generally look very big, the conventional one. They take more space. If you have to store that stand in your house, it generally consumes more space. So this one's basically you can just keep it somewhere in your cupboard or in your backpack or even in the table on which you're working, right? Where I'll show you how to use this. So you just have to keep your roller here, okay, on the back side from this side, and the back tire, right? You just have to drag the bike to place the tire on this side. So the tire will move like this. The quality of the material is pretty rough and pretty tough. It's very strong, and I don't think so it will be easily be broken. So yeah, it is very good quality. So It's very good and tough quality product. Let's talk about the cons. It can just take a little extra time while doing a chain cleaning or lubing your chain, as it's recommended to turn off the bike and use the manual wheel rotation in order to clean your chain or lube your chain. So that way you can do the chain cleaning better. But with this, you just have to keep the tire on like this here and then rotate the wheel manually. So it's not recommended here. With this product, they have clearly mentioned it is not recommended to start the bike while doing the chain cleaning or washing your wheel. So yes, I just love this product. I'll use it and I'll give a detailed review about this product. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.